Good morning, class. So today we're going to do something a little bit different. I have attached a link for you to click on, and it will bring up a page that looks just like mine. So since we read "Twas the Night Before Christmas" this morning in class, we are now going to take a little quiz. It's very fun, it's easy, and it's about Christmas. So anyways, it's called "Twas the Night Before Christmas." And what you're going to do is the first question is right here. And it says, what other name do they call Santa Claus in the book? So is it the first one, St. Nicholas, the second one, Mr. Claus, or the third one, Man with a Beard? And then once you know the answer, you'll click on whichever one that you think it is in this bubble. Okay? And then let's see. The next one, you just scroll down a little bit, and the next one is, who drives Santa's sleigh? Is it horses, cows, reindeer, or other? And then the other one, you can, if you think it's something different, you can write down here in this box and tell me what you think it is. But anyways, you just click on whichever one that you think it is, okay? Okay. The next one is, what do you want Santa Claus to bring you for Christmas? So you just click down here in your answer and you write a Barbie doll or a truck or whatever it is that you're wanting for Christmas, okay? The next question is, who wrote this book? Now this book, who wrote this book will be on the cover of the book, and it tells it also at the back of the book, okay? So was it Clement Moore? Was it the children? Or was it Santa Claus? Which one do you think wrote the book? Okay, the next question is, what creature did the book mention was not stirring? Was it a mouse? Was it a dog? Or was it a cat? Again, even though these are squares, you just click whichever one that you want. And in this case, you can click more than one. But anyways, you just click the one that you think it is. Okay? The next one is, the book ends with Santa saying something. What does he say? To all a good night? Does he say have a good night? Go to sleep all? Or goodbye? Again, very simple. You just click the one that you think it is. Then when you're completely done, you'll hit submit. And that will send you your response to me, and I'll be able to grade it and tell you how you did on it. So I hope you guys like this new little activity of doing a quiz online, okay? And I will see you guys tomorrow in class. Thank you.